What's up? Oh no. What's up guys? Back for another Schnuckles video, and today I will be making my cube cursed. Now I really don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I just thought it would be a cool video idea. So the first thing I'm gonna need to do is take out all the pieces. Oh wait, this thing is still recording. Okay, so I took out all the pieces, and now I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm going to do because I have no idea. Okay, so if you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm changing the color schemes. So that means red and orange are apart from each other, but I'm gonna be making orange and red like right next to each other, like that. So that means I'm gonna have to change the colors of the pieces, so that's gonna be impossible. So I don't know. How do I push all those pieces? Okay, oh my god, sorry. Okay, so I think I found a way on how to do this. So basically, blue and green should be like apart from each other, but I'm gonna make them like right next to each other. So that means you take apart these edge pieces, and you take apart this one. I can't do this, I'm too weak. I found a different edge piece. So you take that apart, and then you put this together, and then you made an impossible edge piece. I also found out a way to do this with the corner pieces. So basically, you can take them apart like that, and then take one of these blue corner pieces, and then put these together, and then put this thingamabobber together, and boom! And also, I have to change these pieces so that blue is next to green and orange is next to yellow. Orange is next to red, and this is supposed to be yellow. I don't know where the cap went. But now I'm gonna have to do this with all the other pieces. This is gonna take a long time. No! Boom! So this is the finished product. It really looks so cursed. Like literally, yellow is next to white, blue's next to green, orange is next to red, and blue's apart from yellow. I just called this yellow. I got the professional speed cubing timer. Cost like $30. Totally didn't find this on Safari. So let's give it a solve. 3, 2, 1, go. One minute and 4 seconds.